solar street lights, the outdoor security lights. It's a 2-pack. Check online for further detail about the makes and the models they offer. You have an instruction guide, simple to follow, and this is what they look like, nice and close up, unpacked. There are 3 modes to the unit: 100% of brightness and 30% of brightness, and dusk to dawn. Each of the products' solar street lights, they come with a pole, 2 of them, a remote control for each of the solar street light, and hardware kits. Going over the remote control, you have an off and on, 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the sensor, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hour timer. And in order to turn the on button, you're going to have to come over, hit the on button first, and then you're able to turn off and on your unit via the remote control and use the functions. So let's go install the rest of the units and go hang them up. Allow the unit to charge for a number of days in the sun and show you what it looks like in the evening hours, all 4 lit up in one area. On the floor, the remote control can work with 3 modes: 100% off, motion detection 100% on, and 30% off in a dim light to 100% on, and 30% dusk to dawn. All the lights are on. You can see the solar panels collecting sun in a foul day. They're weather resistant. As you can see, they are lit up. We have increments of 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. In the center is the PIR. We're going to walk away and allow the light to set up. These are the solar street lights. Check online for further details about your products. If this is what you are looking for, they are nice and bright. They light up the area. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.